Predicted costs for the XDC organization in 2030 range between 0.142552 and 0.269265 according to market analysts. XDC could reach 0.110874 by 2025. The XDC organization market cost outlook for 2023 is 0.025343 XDC presentation and project grade M. Consistent blending ledger. The XDC organization, formerly known as the Xinfin organization, is provided with public and confidential state and interoperable savvy contracts. Ethereum and Schmorgans now hold a majority stake in. The XDC organization uses a designated verification of state toast system that facilitates 2-second exchange times, minimal gas costs, and more than 2,000 exchanges per second TPS. The XDC organization is an excellent agreement platform that permits decentralized applications. Xinblade's agreement technique is TAP's creation posture, which reflects a signed proof of stake. This calculation authorizes trades before storing them for blocks, as opposed to calculations for proof of work. Post calculations in the transgression balance have an unusually low energy consumption. Local initiatives vote or delegate their XDC coins to masternodes that validate transactions because each masternode complies with KIC norms. It is much simpler for clients or masternode operators to operate within the administrative structure and with unified financial foundations if they invest 10 million XDC. The XDC can be used to exert influence in situations such as mischief or personal time. If an expert hub is deemed to be acting illegally, its serious XDC will be reduced or removed entirely from the convention. Clients who own shares in these masternodes will notice a similar effect on their stakes. In this video, we will provide a value forecast for XDC and explain the variables that may affect its future cost developments. In mid-2017, the Shine Balance Convention was enacted. Xinfin held at Psycho and was recorded on Elfex without precedent for the final quarter. The association's successful ICO, which raised $15 million, demonstrated an ideal market response. The group began symbolic deals on Coinbanker, Etherflyer, Elfex, and for Delta at a 20 premium over the commitment price in April 2018 can be viewed as an example. MarketTap recorded the initial cost of XDC to be 0.0036. XDC failed to meet expectations until May 2021. The price outperformed the initial cost since hitting a record low. XDC has been on the rise due to trade boundlessness, trading at 20C for XDC in a 1-to-1 ratio. The move gave XDC a much-needed boost and it soon began encountering high-cost pressure. XDC Corporation is presently valued at $0.031678. XDC is currently trading at 1.06, with 463 shares traded. According to the Overall Strength Index RSI Moving Weighted Average, XDC organization is currently ranked number 86 among all cryptographic forms of currency with a market cap of $438,676,636. MWA Williams Fractal and Conventional Movement mapped for union dissimilarity on our website. Market data and other data are updated in real time, enabling us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity. XDC organization XDC Value Forecast 2023. According to some sources, XDC organization will be one of the most spectacular digital currencies to rise in 2018. The XDC cost forecast for 2023 anticipates a substantial increase in the year's final quarter, which could reach 0.047517. Similarly, the ascent of other cryptographic forms of money will be consistent, but no significant declines are anticipated, averaging 0.044349, and the cost is relatively low. Nevertheless, given anticipated concerted efforts and developments, it is possible that XTCC will have a starting value of 0.038014 sooner rather than later. Due to the expected declarations of numerous new organizations and initiatives, the XDC organization XDC cost forecast has significant room for growth, We anticipate that the cost of XDC will shortly surpass 0.07915%. Before making optimistic predictions, we should wait to see if the XDC's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone. Market volatility-aware wagers on XDC will exchange at a base price of 0.063356 and a typical price of 0.069692, according to the XDC organization's XDC value forecast for 2025, presuming the vertical pattern continues until 2025. It may reach 0.110874 and XDC may rise, but if the market experience is a decline, the objective may not be reached. XDC is anticipated to trade at an average price of 0.10137 and a low of 0.095035 in 2025 and 2026, respectively. XDC Organization XDC Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that XDC Organization effectively supports market sentiment among cryptographic money devotees, the XDC coin price could remain stable over the next 5 years, and XDC will be green in 2026, according to our projections. In 2026, the XDC is anticipated to surpass its previous peak. The virtual currency will be worth $0.142552 USD in 2026, with a fixed price of $0.126713 USD and an average price of $0.133048 USD, according to the XDC organization's XDC value forecast. We estimate that the XDC cost will surpass a normal value threshold of 0.164727 by 2027. With a basal cost of 0.158391 expected by the end of the year, based on broad determining and specialized investigation. Moreover, XDC has a maximum value of 0.17423 XDC value expectation. We anticipate that a favorable pattern will continue to drive the average price to around 0.10 in 2028, as a result of organizations that are anticipated to emerge in the future. The highest possible price may be 0.205908. Failure to satisfy the HelpXDC requirements by 2028 could result in a 0.190069 XDC organization XDC value forecast for 2029, despite XDC's efforts toward interoperability among organizations. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial